This is the key fob for a Dodge rear entry minivan. It's going to have a lock and unlock and a panic feature. This also serves as the key. So you're going to plug it into this port here and give it a turn just like a regular key. That's going to turn the vehicle on. The knob here is going to be your shifter. And then you have your radio here. Your AC and heat are going to be down here. This is going to allow you to change how much air you have, and then you've got your temperature controls here. If you'd like the air conditioning to be off, you're going to push that button in the middle. If you'd like to change where the air is flowing, you can use these buttons along the side to change that mode as well. On the Dodge rear entry, you're going to have your windshield wipers on the left-hand side, and then on the far left is where you're going to find the headlights.